Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, what you're looking at is a 12-volt DC transformer. And this is an old Radio Shack power supply, basically. And it's 12 volts at 1 amp. And I use this for doing experiments. It's great for powering any 12-volt appliance that's rated at 1 amp anyway. And it's a great trickle charger. You can charge a car battery overnight with this thing. Anyway, I got a question about running Marx trains on DC voltage. Will they run? Yeah, they'll actually run quite well. They're a bit sluggish getting started, but actually on DC this runs really well. I've got a Marx 666 with a lighted tender and 6 13-inch cars on the third rail. So I've taken the alligator clips and just clipped them directly on to the transformer terminals. Transformer is turned off, of course, and there's no way to vary the power with this setup, so it's either on or off. But since the engines are slow starting, this actually works quite well. You can just turn them on. The nice thing about this, of course, is that you can take a Marx setup someplace where there is no power available and power it with a car battery, and you'll get results almost identical to this. So that's 12 volts DC at 1 amp. And as you see, that's running quite well. So a lot of possibilities for doing displays of some kind if there's no power available. You can run these on DC, but interestingly enough, if, keep this in focus here, if we reverse the polarity, it will not reverse the Marx motor. Hold on, I hope you can see this. All right, let's try that. Turn on the power, and it still runs forward, as you see. So like I said, 12 volts at 1 amp, that runs quite well. And like I said, this is about the results you'll get running this off of a car battery. So Marx engines run really well on DC voltage, and because it's an AC motor, it doesn't recognize polarity, and so swapping or reversing polarity on a DC power supply has no effect on the motor at all. But you can run them on DC, and they actually run quite well. That's like I said, 12 volts at 1 amp. That's not a very big transformer, and it's running it quite well. So I just wanted to do a quick video to document this. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.